The sun is beginning to set, casting long shadows across the soccer field. There's a stillness in the air, and you can feel the warmth of the grass beneath you. We're going to flow with that energy, moving, stretching, and winding down with the day. In just 5 minutes, we'll stretch out our entire body, leaving you relaxed and refreshed. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose. Your forehead resting on the mat, arms reaching forward. Feel the warmth of the field beneath you, grounding you as a cool evening air surrounds you. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, flow forward into Cobra stretch, lifting your chest toward the fading sun. For 1 minute, flow back and forth between these poses. In child's pose, you're calm and rooted. In Cobra, you open your heart to the sky. Each movement feels like a gentle release, as if the day itself is leaving space for rest. Press up into downward dog, lifting your hips high. The grass meets your fingers and toes as you press your heels down. Breathe in the earthly smell of the field, then flow forward into Cobra stretch, feeling the late afternoon warmth on your chest. For 1 minute, move between these two poses, feeling your spine stretch and release. Downward dog stretches through your hamstrings and calves, while Cobra opens your chest and back. This flow, like the day, is winding down, bringing relaxation to every muscle. Come on to all fours, feeling the soft, warm grass beneath your hands and knees. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a line from fingertips to toes. The sky is a soft glow as you inhale, lengthening and exhaling as you bring your elbow and knee together. For 1 minute, continue this movement, finding balance in each breath. You're strengthening your core and back, connecting each movement to the ground beneath you and the sky above. Switch sides. Reach your left arm forward and your right leg back, stretching into the soft evening light. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to bring elbow and knee together, feeling the gentle pull of your muscles. Continue this flow for 1 minute, letting the rhythm of your breath bring calm and stability to your body. You're grounded, balanced, and moving with ease as the day transitions into night. Great work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and reconnected with the world around you. This routine is perfect to end your day or recharge your body. Check out another stretching video, try out a workout to build strength, or unwind with a calming meditation. Keep moving, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next video.